Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the Palmrest from a Dell Latitude 5580. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Press in to unlock and remove SD card. Unscrew and remove access door. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now use thin object to pry apart and remove keyboard bezel. Now disconnect keyboard cables. Then unscrew and remove keyboard. Now unscrew bracket and disconnect antenna cables. Next, remove wireless card. Now unscrew, then remove bracket and display cable. Next, unscrew and remove hinge covers. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Now unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Now unscrew and disconnect LED circuit board. Now unscrew and remove heatsink. Then unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Then disconnect and remove CMOS battery. Then disconnect speaker cable. Now unscrew and remove chassis frame. Then remove speakers. Then unscrew, then remove bracket and DC jack. Then remove bracket and motherboard screws. Now disconnect and remove motherboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.